Oh, me and Natasha already did that. It's disgusting. Okay, hello. As you can remember, this is Egg Explosion Part 2. This is what we're going to do this time. No plate. Jacob, it's about 102. That'll work. We're going to put it there for 2 minutes. This time, it should surely explode all over the screen.
Before.
Four.
Okay, I got it, man.
4. Very good. If you see the egg is starting to explode, it's starting.
So warm up.
Witness! Witness, you don't want to miss this! Witness!
I'm back.
Apparently. What?
You want egg?
Boiled egg. The egg will boil.
Watch and learn. Now, it may alarm you. Of course, you're not going to jump back.
Smells like chicken.
Oh! Y'all gonna clean that, you know.
That is how it explodes.